All right, getting ready to go film on a Sunday. Again, 2 weeks ago, we had issues with video, so we got to go back down, wrap up that job, and get some more footage that just didn't work out 2 weeks ago. We thought we could recover all the... We recovered a lot of it, but not all of it, so that's why we're going back down. Anyway, simple Sunday. Thank you for watching the long vlog yesterday, which was like 11 minutes. It was 11 minutes because I sat down for 8 of it and answered your questions that you typed. Thank you. If you haven't seen that one, go back to yesterday's vlog. I give you my answers. Hopefully it's slightly enlightening. Almost home on this fine Sunday, Super Bowl Sunday. And did you know, a Buena Vista High School alum, my high school that I grew up at, Nate Solder, the left tackle for the Patriots. All right, I despise the Patriots, but I will cheer for Nate Solder. So he went to BVHS, and we were buddies back in the day. Anyway, go Nate. And go Super Bowl. It's nice to be home. Oh, I'm so excited to be home. I don't like working on Sundays. I just don't like it. All right, here we are. Here we are. Pulling up. Pulling up. Boom. I love you. I love you. I missed you. All I'm saying is, papas work hard, mamas work harder. That's all I'm saying, hon. Papas work hard, mamas work harder. Oh, you and your pearls, doesn't she look good?
Today, and Joseph said, Mama, you have big pearl beads and little pearl beads. Oh, those little pearl beads are so precious.
Oh. All right, just going to do one time lapse today. It's Sunday, our day of rest, right? So only going to do one time lapse for you guys. So I forgot the plate at the office for the tripod. Right there. Forgot it this morning. In the wee hours of the morning, forgot the plate. So you improvise. Have no fear. You use the backpack as the tripod. So that's what I'm doing. See that? See how it's holding the camera up? Boom. Okay. Isn't the challenge and struggles of life what make life pretty exciting? Okay, I'm here. I'm coming to play. Basically, what I'm getting at is like, shout out once again to my high school buddy, Nate. Got a lot of respect for him because I was 5'5". Let's call it what it is. 5'5" in high school. He was 2 years younger than me, and he was, I think he's like 6'8". So that's a good 15 inches. So basically, that's my challenge. I'm looking up at Nate, and I'm like, hey, man, you're my challenge, even though you're 2 years younger than me. And now Nate is an NFL player playing in the Super Bowl, just rocking it with the Patriots, guarding Tom Brady's blind side. And I'm just like, man, Nate, you went for it, and I've got a lot of respect for you for chasing your dreams, even though you grew up in a tiny little town up in the mountains of Colorado. So, anyway, we all have challenges. 99.999999999% of the world's population will never play in the NFL. that's okay, because we've got other challenges in this world that we have to face as people, right? You and I. We've got challenges every single day in our life. So, it's going to be the question of the day. I feel like it's a good one on this Super Bowl Sunday. How do you guys, what's the number one tactic, way, that's not a good word. What's the number one strategy you have to meet your life's challenges? And this could be small things, this could be big things. Basically, the situation, YouTube, is don't tell anyone. Shh, keep this quiet. Don't tell anybody. Don't let it go public. I'm sitting in my chair on my driveway in February in shorts and t-shirts. T-shirt. What? Don't tell anyone. Shh, we don't want anyone else to move. Only in America. Only in America. Go Super Bowl. Go Super Bowl. Alright, my battery's flashing. Gotta keep it quick. Patriots win the Super Bowl. Patriots win the Super Bowl. You see it there. Driving down the field. Tom Brady. I mean, I am a Broncos fan. I despise the Patriots. But I do... When you see excellence, you see excellence, and that was pretty amazing. His 5th Super Bowl win. And, might I add, Nate Solder protecting his blind side the whole way down the field. I got your back, Nate. Anyway, go Nate. Don't go Patriots. Go Nate. And anyway, congrats, Nate. 2nd Super Bowl win. BB proud. Woo! Alright, remember what I was saying earlier. Seek beauty. Yeah, right? Work hard. Love each other. Who knows? Maybe you'll be a Super Bowl champion someday. Keep dreaming, people.